My name's Agnes.
My name's Max, and I'm in 12th grade.
My name's Julie, and I'm in 12th grade.
I'm Carolyn, and I'm a senior.
Hi, I'm Will. I'm in 12th grade right now.
My name is Peter, and I'm a senior.
My name's Abby. I'm a senior.
My name's Patrick, and I'm a senior.
Now we've got 6 co-captains, which is awesome. Agnes is going to be kind of a captain over all of this, and she's going to help organize this, as well as Abby is going to be kind of on the peripherals, and then I'm going to be over the whole thing.
We're building a mosaic sculpture to put somewhere on campus.
Well, we've got students from a couple different classes of Mr. Wright's, all kind of brainstorming and putting their ideas into a notebook together. We really don't have a direction yet, but that's our job, to find a direction and to kind of shape this out of nothing.
So we can do something like this push and pull, where maybe it's a little bit of a geocache thing, where you guys come in and you put your pictures in and you get, oh, what did Will draw? What did Julie draw? Oh, cool. And maybe you add to it, maybe you take it away. Maybe we do this back and forth thing with words and images or something.
So this is the binder. It is unnamed right now because we don't have a name for this project yet. Right now it's just a yellow binder.
We kind of worked backwards where we said, like, this is the last day of school, and then this is when we hope to have it finished. So we're kind of working backwards from that, kind of planning and adjusting what we need to do.
And by the way, this thing needs a name. Right now it's the yellow tape folder. Maybe the name comes later.
I think Mr. Wright is like the embodiment of what San Dieguito is.
He really tries to encourage us to step outside of the box, think differently, not necessarily follow the rules.
Mr. Wright is doing a lot of like the organizing, but he's letting us have a lot of leadership in it, which I think is something really unique about SDA, and that this was brought forth by the students.
Okay, let's plan on next Monday. A couple things that are going to happen during class before next Monday is I think I'll work with Agnes and how we can use this as a geocache box where you guys will interact with it. I think this week is a crucial week. This is where everything needs to come together.
We're still throwing stuff out there, but we're also trying to center it so we can start the actual constructing process. And
I would like you guys to see all these drawings and the words and to be influenced by it. And I would like you to do one drawing that what you, like putting the parameters in mind, being influenced by this, you're gonna do a fairly spontaneous drawing. Okay, since we have about 1 minute left, any thoughts, ideas, concerns, questions?
it really builds like team communication, because we're not even in the same period, so we only like really get together in person maybe like once a week in homeroom meetings.
I just think it's really interesting how we have 9 people working on one project and how we're all collaborating and throwing our ideas out at once.
To be able to be involved with such a large project as a high schooler, it's really cool to be able to see something through from start to finish. So being involved with the design process and then having an actual sculpture that it's like, wow, I took part in that, is a really unique opportunity.
These kind of projects are important because not only does it give students sort of leadership opportunities to get experience that they never would otherwise, but it also just makes our high school better and more like us. It's kind of our whole SDA spirit to be putting art everywhere and to kind of show what's going on in our heads and, you know, working together like that.
This project, I think, is kind of an embodiment of the culture here at SDA. You know, it's a way for all the students to come together and work on something, you know, as a class, as a school, and that's really what it's all about.